Salut, c'est Madame Sacco. Ce soir, nous allons parler des adjectifs démonstratifs et interrogatifs. Ces adjectifs sont très utiles pour parler des choses qu'on préfère ou parler des autres de leur préférence. Alors, commençons. So, these are your demonstrative adjectives. They are the equivalent of this, that, these, or those in English. The masculine singular is ce, feminine singular set, the masculine plural c'est, and the feminine plural is also c'est. So again, these are the equivalent of this, that, these, or those. They have to agree with the noun that follows them. For example, ce pantalon, this pair of pants or that pair of pants. Cette robe, this dress or that dress. Cet impair, this raincoat or that raincoat. Ces gants, these gloves or those gloves. Ces chaussures, these are those shoes. It is important to note that before masculine singular noun that starts with a vowel or an H, we have to change ce to set. That helps with pronunciation. If you want to differentiate between two things, you can also add ci et là. So for example, if I want to say these gloves over here, ces gants-ci. If I wanted to say those gloves over there, ces gants-là. So it's just a hyphen in the word ci or la. Ci is like ici, meaning here, that you learned a long time ago, and la you learned was there, so with the accent over the A. So that's the demonstrative adjectives. Again, this, that, these, those. I need to go back. This, that, these, those. Okay. Next. The interrogative adjectives, these are the equivalent of which. Okay, which. Masculine singular, and they all sound the same. Quel, with one L. Feminine singular, quelle, double the L and add an E. Masculine plural, quelle, with an S. Feminine plural, quelle, with an S. For example, quel pantalon, which pair of pants. Quelle robe, which dress. Quel gant, which gloves. Quelle chaussure, which shoes. So I would advise you to watch this video, make sure you've taken notes on the video if you haven't done so. Study this a little bit and then go do the Kias. On the Kias, pay very close attention to the gender and number of all of the words that come after the blank. If you are not sure, I would go back and restudy some of the vocabulary. Merci bien.